If you have any type of car buying question, please write comment in the comment section. Today video is about Range Rover and Range Rover Sport crash test result out. Range Rover is priced in India at 2.29 crores rupees. Range Rover Sport in India retails for 1.64 crores rupees. The new Range Rover and Range Rover Sport are based on an all-new mixed metal, flexible modular longitudinal architecture. Resultantly, the new Range Rover, which is available with 4, 5 and 7-seat configurations, is up to 50% stiffer than its predecessor, while the Range Rover Sport is 35% stiffer than before. The Range Rover scored 87% for child occupant protection and 72% for vulnerable road users, while the Range Rover Sport achieved an 85% rating for adult occupant protection. Both SUVs obtained 82% for safety assist. New Range Rover and Range Rover Sport share a range of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, designed to support the driver and protect occupants, including 3D surround camera and clear sight ground view, driver condition response, preemptive suspension, adaptive cruise control and steering assist, park assist and more. Range Rover and Range Rover Sport reveals Tata Harrier, Tata Safari, MG Hector, Maruti Brezza, Tata Nexon, Mahindra Scorpio N and Mahindra XUV700 in India. For more information about Range Rover and Range Rover Sport, please subscribe Motorcar India. Please subscribe Motorcar India and press the bell icon. Like this video, share with your friend, comment me which type of car buying question you have.